Dear student, in this section, I'm going to talk about user input. Python allows for user input. That means we are able to ask the user for input. So let's quickly put that in actions. So we use the input method to deploy that. So let's implement that. So let's say we want to ask the user for his first name. So let's create a first name variable, and so we want to use the input method. So we're going to ask the user to enter first name. In this case, enter first name, and enter first name. As you can see, it's waiting for an input. Enter first name. So we can, let me enter my first name, which is Harrison. So as you can see, if I print the value, what would be the value of first name here, the variable? We have Harrison as well. So as you can see, Python stop executing when it comes to the input function, and continue when the user has entered some input value. So thank you very much for this section, and see you in the next section. So in the next section, we're going to talk about file handling, and after that, that's when we're going to begin to implement our web application that we're about to build. So thank you very much for watching, and bye.